what's on our shelves for May MKAP Experience. Right here we have a practical life activity on little bee transferring. More advanced tool will be to use tension tongues. These are bamboo. Little children can use just their hands, and it's a great activity to refine pincer grip. Also here we have dyed barley spoon transferring, and this reminds pollen. So it goes perfect with our bee theme. Here is planting flowers, one-to-one correspondence. A child would plant flowers into a recycled egg carton. You can also offer to match with the little toy flowers, and a child would roll the die and then plant the corresponding quantity. So using a die is also a great subitizing activity because a child would have to tell the quantity without actually counting the dots. So it's a great activity. And then, of course, you can match with the numeral association. So these are just craft sticks and little wooden discs. Right here, we have Montessori botany puzzle, parts of the flower. So these pegs are perfect for little hands. We have some books here. Big Book of Blooms. The Eyewitness book by DK is a little advanced. So if you have a kindergartner and older, I would recommend, but it's a very comprehensive. As you can see, there is a lot of text. This book is full of colorful illustrations, so this is perfect for a child 1 year and up. These are flower origami Adrian made. I have a YouTube tutorial filming him how he did it. Quite an advanced skill, I would say ages 6+. Now moving into our B section. So this is another of our absolute favorites. So if there is one B book that you would like to purchase, let it be this one. It's a very extensive and comprehensive study on bees that includes everything from bee stings to sweet treats to history, pollination, bee dance, hive, and so much more. We have a little history here, the Greek gods, how they used honey. Right here we have our black bean sensory bin. So black beans resemble soil, but feel free to use whatever you have. You can use cereal if you have a mouthing child, and also a little scoop, maybe some bowls for transferring. And right here we have a life cycle of the bee figurines. These are Safari Ltd. Right here we have the alphabet flowers. So a child would match a dot sticker to the flower in the middle. Feel free to vary. You can use it to spell your child's name. Another favorite series. So this will be perfect for children 18 months and plus because it has these kind of like flip the page. So it's a very tactile experience, and then these cut through windows to explore life of bees. The Bug Hotel, another favorite. It is so fun to build using recycled toilet paper rolls. All the details are inside of May MKAP Experience Member Hub. This is Julia Rothman's Farm Anatomy. I think she had released now 4 anatomies: Nature Anatomy, Farm Anatomy, Ocean Anatomy, and I think one more. If you can buy them all, I highly, highly recommend. I love her illustrations. Just enough information not to overwhelm little ones. So again, another of our favorites. Here we have a little honey pot. And right here, some more books on these. Another absolute favorite author, Gibbons. And this book is now out of print and extremely hard to find. But what I love, it's called My First Discovery series, is that it has these translucent overlay pages and it takes reading to the next level. So if you can get your hands on any of My First Discoveries, highly, highly recommend. And finally, we have our teddy bears for Teddy Bears Picnic. That's the Bookish Play Book of the Month. You can optionally use some toy foods to feed them. And also I have here prepositions